Hello everybody, Ghostblade 1062 here with another rolling stock review. Today we will be reviewing a Sans Centerflow tank car in the Aral Deutsche Bahn scheme from Piko's expert line. Alright, taking a look at the box, we get our first look at the tank car through the clear plastic window. On the left-hand side of the box, we have the product barcode as well as the product ID, this being 54189-4. It is a Centerflow tank car from Sans, utilized by Aral Fuel Company from the Deutsche Bahn Era 5. And its car number is 784-8410-6. On the underside of the box, we have a warning that this product is not for anyone under the age of 14. And on the back of the box, we have a little bit of information about the manufacturer, including contact information. And now, popping open the box, we have the car sitting in this two-piece cradle. And also included is the typical Piko advertising booklet. And now cutting the tape that holds the front cover on, we can now remove the tank car. The car is also sitting in this extra thin plastic for extra protection. Starting at the left-hand side here, we have our information board, including our capacity information. We have the road number here, a warning sign, as well as a label for what it hauls. Along the bottom frame, we have the road number again, as well as various other warnings. We have some basic truck detail, including suspension, taking a look at the end here, we have our buffers, as well as a separately fitted handrail for the steps on the side. Along the bottom on this side, we have a compressor tank, as well as several molded in levers for valve control. We again have our information board. And now going on to the front of the car, we have our walkway on the front here with separately fitted plastic handrails, a separately fitted ladder leading up to the roof walk, and our brake wheel. Along the top, we have this plastic roof walk leading to the hatches. And on the underside, here we have a compressor tank. And on this side here we have our our cylinder for our valve control, as well as our brake line in along the bottom here. Taking a look at the axle, we have a NEM shaft for the coupler. And now checking the axles, we see that all 4 axles are engaged as per the NMRA standards gauge. And now to take it over to the track for a test run. And now, coming in behind our locomotive, we have the Aral tank car. Alright everybody, this concludes our review of the Piko Expert line Zahn Centerflow tank car from the Deutsche Bahn in the Aral scheme. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more model railroad content. Have a great day everybody!